that's the reality. As you put this in the ground today, you may be actually establishing something like that for someone else to enjoy doing a track or just to be here. Yeah? So it's kind of cool. And this guy here is also another gigantic tree, and it's further up. See that one right up the back there? That's the totara. So that's this one. So it's kind of cool to stick these ones in, eh? We're up in about the midway part, the upper end of the Jessie Tonar Reserve. So around us we've got about 10 really large native trees. We've got a koruri here, a big kahikatea. Up the back we've got massive totaras. There's about 10 really big trees that are remnants from, well, they're probably a couple of hundred years old, some of these, plus. Right in the middle here, unfortunately, we've got this really large, you can see it lying on the ground. It's an African flame tree. So all of these branches you can see they look dead and dying. And we'll be cutting these up, putting them over to rot down, and eventually planting up this area around here.
We're going to measure water clarity. We write down water clarity 42 centimetres. We're here at Awataha stream today just to investigate its water quality and ecology.
So they're damselflies. They're a little bit smaller than a dragonfly. And we also had some native snails in the mix as well. In fact, that one there, that's Potamopurgus there, that's our native.
1, 2, 43. Now it's your turn. I'll hold the tube. Right?
Yeah.
Still see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better, that's better.
See a shoot in the bed and someone picked up a shoot.